Hello everyone, it's Rita here. I didn't really have time today to, it's getting dark in here. It's kind of like 5, 6 o'clock and it's cloudy. I didn't have time to do a video today, so I thought I would just go ahead and share with you the folio that I made for the May giveaway, which is the summer folio with a lot of Edith Holden style papers, and from her book, the Nature's Notes, but it's a different book. I don't know, can't explain it. So anyway, I just wrapped it up with some sari silk that I had, and this is where we start, which got kind of chunky. Yeah, I thought I can't put another thing in here, and then I had to put lace here because I didn't get the stitching in. This stitching here came over a little more than this one, and it looked, you know, silly there. So I've changed that. Okay, so we open it up here, and we have these 2 pages that are blank. You could journal in there, or you could put a label and you know, add to it if you'd like to. But like I said, it was getting so bulky, I didn't think I could do any more. All right, so this side here opens, and in here I have a journal card, and I just put a little Tim Holtz flower on that, and made this little pocket with some, this is the actual Edith Holden book, so that little piece there. Then here we made this pocket, this washi keeps wanting to come up, with this window envelope, and I put this little bird in behind that, and then that has a tag, and it can be journaled on the back of that. You could add more things to this. Yeah, you're more than welcome just to keep adding on whatever you'd like. Then we turn the page here, and I put this little postcard that I made of the girls, just because I think it's so darn cute. And what I did was just put these little photo album corners, and then, oh, and on the back I put a little note thingy so you can write in it. But that just holds it in place. And then here are a couple of journal cards that I put in there. All right. And then here, it's just the flat, this is the outside, and then this is the journaling space that I put in there. And I'm not sure what I made this with. Oh, it's an envelope. There's actually a hole here if you wanted to hide something, and you could. I'm not going to glue it closed. It gets in a little better because it'll get creased in the edge there. Okay, and then we made this in one of the videos, and I just put this lavender flower here. It kind of goes with that. I think it's like a purple poppy. Then I did a stamping here, and then I put a journal card in here with more Edith Holden images that I cut out. And you can write on the back of that. And that just slides down in there. And then here I just made a tuck, and with lace. It's just, I took this card and I sewed lace on, and then I glued it down to make a tuck. And this is some of the napkin that Laura sent me from Edith Holden napkins. This is a little journal card that I just stuck back inside of here. Then this opens up. Oh, what I do with the card that goes in there? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I didn't make a journal card for here, so I'll have to do that. A tag. That's weird, because I thought I remember putting one here. I don't know. Losing it. Okay, well, anyway, I will fill that with something. And then that closes there, and this closes like that. Then this side opens up, and then we have the journal here. So I just threw some pages in here. This page here was a full page out of Edith Holden, and I wanted to keep these 2 pages in there, so that's what I just folded over and put some glue here and made that part of the spine. This is a little journal card here that I I put this, and it's a little eyelet here, so if you wanted to, you could put a charm or something, but I didn't, because I think I wouldn't be able to close the book if I did. Here's a little card with a bird and some Edith Holden looking flowers on it, and you can journal there. You can journal here. This is an envelope that we used. Then I put a journal card in here, like this. Just some of that paper, and I just made a journal card out of paper. And then that shows through the window, and I just thought that looked nice in front of it. Then in here, I tied around here, and this is the center of the book, and I tied the signature inside the envelope. And then I put this little notebook that we made with postcards, and so then in here's some pages, and you can read the postcard, and yeah, it's just a few pages in there. So I thought that was fun. All right, I love it when they get pressed down. Like when they're in the journal for a while, they'll get kind of pressed in, and it just looks really cool. So this is just sliding in here, so you could take it out if you'd like. If you need some pink seam binding, here you go. And this is a washi sticker that I just stuck on both sides, a little bit here and a little bit there. This side here is another little notebook. I guess I went notebook crazy. This was a piece of ephemera I had, and I just stuck some random pages in there, so you could tear them out if you'd like and use them in another journal or write on them, whatever you want to do. This is a vintage bridge tally score page. So that was that, and I put that in here. And I just put a label across the top and stapled it. All right, this is the other side of that card, and of course I didn't really decorate any of the pages. Actually, you could probably cover that if you'd like. And that's the Edith Holden page. This is the other side of the other little page in the back. Then we have this pocket here, which also has a window in it, but I think I closed that window off entirely. I don't think anything shows through. Hold on, let me get this right. Yeah, and so this one matches this, the thistles. We got a lot of those in here with that other page, huh? Look at that. So this shows you how the difference in color is from the other book and Edith Holden, the original type book. So that goes in there, and in here I have, what do I have? I think I have a pocket here that's not supposed to be glued on, or maybe it is. Hold on. What did I do there? I'll have to work on that. For some reason, I feel like I've glued it down. I don't know what I did. I think that was, yeah, it is pages in there. Okay, I'll have to work on prying that out. See if I can get it off. I glued it shut. There's no pocket here. And then I've got two little journal cards up in this pocket here. And I don't think I have a journal card in here either. I thought I had them, I don't know. I guess I just missed it too. I'll get them filled up though. Here's another pocket that we made out of junk mail. And in here is a journal card back here that we just, I put some cardstock or something, and I don't remember what I did. Anyhow, that's what's that is. And then that goes in there. Wow, I've got to come back and I was so worried about putting too much stuff. Oh, I didn't show you this one. Okay, so this side has a card that comes out, and I took a paint swatch thing. I think I got this from I want to say Kathy, I think she sent me these, several of them, and I haven't really had a chance to use them, but I thought this went perfect there. And then it sticks back in here. Okay, and then it shows up out here. And then I put a tab so you know to turn this page. And then here, I guess I have more. I didn't realize it. Here is a little belly band that I made with a little journal card. I just glued the sides. And then I just made another little journal card there. And here is another pocket with this journal card. And then, oh, that's why, because I have 2 of these. You can't find everything in this little folio. And I put 3 little journal cards right there. And then this is a tag that we made a long time ago. I think it's the Artie Mays one that I was following her. So that is it. So we have August, and then inside of here we have July. And, whoops, let me get this going the right direction. And then inside of here we should have June. There, it's June. And then I have to put something in there. Yeah, I didn't know I put 2 in this book. All right, so that goes that way. And let's see. No, that goes on top. Okay. So there we go. And then this folds over like that, and this folds over like that, and then I'll tie it back up again. But yeah, I think it turned out really cute. And then I wanted to share with you, I got you know, I'm doing the red poppies and the Asian style journal right now. So Patty sent me these. They're like little envelopes. Isn't that cute? They're little envelopes, and they have this Chinese writing on them. I don't know what it means. And then I also got a package from Mary. I don't know where her stuff is because I kind of threw it in my ephemera pile thing. Where is? Well, Mary sent me several pages of Japanese book pages and another thing like this that she stamped, and a little poppy cluster. So it's been a good couple little days of getting little Happy Mails, which is always great. And so don't forget to comment. You have till the 31st to comment in the comment on any video. It has to be in May, that's all. And then the other one is to name the other journal, which is just one video. I'm going to pick from that at random. We'll pick the name for the Poppy journal. Okay? So I'm sorry this is short, but yeah, I was out running around today and just had so much fun sewing, and I actually took I took fussy cutting to my quilting thing, and I sat there and fussy cut while everybody else is working on quilts. But it's okay, you get to visit your friends that way. All right, so you guys have a wonderful day. You'll probably see this on Saturday, so it'll be weekend, and Happy Memorial Day. Yeah, I don't know if I'll get a bunch done or not in the next couple days because gotta go to my mom's, and then I didn't even realize it's a holiday. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.